JJ-coding.com, ICD-10 JJ-10A, page 261, exercise 06, level 1. And the problem reads like this.
Urinary tract infection due to candidiasis.
Okay, the problem is urinary tract infection due to candidiasis. Okay, now we're going to give you 3 seconds for you to pause the video and give us the answer. 1, 2, 3. Hello? The answer is B37.49. Okay, did you get it? If you got it, you can just go to the next video. If you didn't get it, let's just give you a couple of tips. Okay, the first tip is
urinary tract is part of the urogenital system or genitourinary system.
Genitourinary system, right? The urinary tract, when they say urinary tract, that's part of the urogenital system or genitourinary system. Just a little anatomy there. The second tip.
The code that you find in the index after infection, urinary tract is the wrong one. By checking tabular, you get an exclusion that leads you to the right code.
Right. Well, whenever there's an infection, you have to go to infection and then to the part that was infected, which is the urinary tract, and you get a code there. And now when you go checking in the tabular this code, you're going to find that there's an exclusion for candidiasis. So that's why the code in the index is the wrong one, and going to the tabular, you get to the right code. Okay? All right. With these 2 tips, try to find the answer, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, now this is the summary of the whole problem. Okay? The problem is urinary tract infection due to candidiasis. And the code 1 is only one code, and this code is through the index is found like this.
First you go to index, then you go to
infection,
then you go to urinary tract,
and you get a code.
And 39.0.
And 39.0. So you think this is the right code, but you got to check it in the tabular. So you go to the tabular. The code 1 through the tabular is like this.
First you go to tabular. Then you go to N39.
N39, and what is that?
Other disorders of urinary system.
Right. Now you add one more digit.
N39.0, site not specified.
Site not specified. Now, after site not specified, there's a semicolon. The semicolon means that there is another line. In another line, you find this.
Excludes candidiasis of urinary tract.
Okay, hold it right there. Write that line leads you to another code, not the code from the index, but another code, because candidiasis of urinary tract is considered something else. What is considered? In parentheses they give you. What is that?
B37.4 /.
Right? So there's one digit missing there. So now you have to go to this code. So you go to B37, and what's B37? Candidiasis. B37.4 is?
Other urogenital sites.
Right, because there's the name in the urinary sites before, and the urinary tract in general is not found there. So you go to
B37.49.
For other, because it's not specified. So that's the other. That's why you need the other. Okay, so this is our code. That's why we have an equal sign there, and that is the checking of the code. And the answer then is B37.49. Okay? Thanks for watching, and please visit our website. Thanks.